Most pleasure crafts in the United States are trailered to and from the water. Without proper maintenance, you can damage your boat, your towing vehicle, or both. The boat trailer should be designed and rated to support the boat, motor, fuel, and any gear that's going to be carried aboard. It is highly suggested that you never exceed 85% of the trailer's total capacity. Check your trailer minimum tire rating needed for that load. Make sure that the ball and the trailer hitch are matched and it is the right size for the socket that the trailer tongue is made for and weighs no more than 7 to 10% of the rig. Remember that driving is different when hauling a trailer. Keep a safe distance from the car in front of you and make sure that your side mirrors are adequate. Never carry gasoline tanks in the trunk of the tow vehicle.